Hi friends, in this video I'm going to actually talk about a very rare feature that you might have to use, and that is changing this pointer cursor. As you can see, it's an arrow cursor by default which comes in any browser, but if you want to change that to something very specific and very custom, all we need to do is change the custom cursor. To do that, we need to go into user experience from settings, and out here right at the bottom you'd see custom cursor. You need to attach the file, which might be a PNG file, and I'll attach this here. And as you can see, the custom cursor has been enabled. If I refresh my page, you'll be able to see that instead of the regular cursor, a custom cursor is appearing. And obviously, with whatever is clickable, it will not change it there. But for the non-clickable part, this custom cursor will come in. Now, this is not something which is very used, and especially not in mobile phones, because in mobile phones there are no cursors. But if you still want to do that, this is a way in which you can change the custom cursor. Thank you.